Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix keyboard lag problem. Friends, you want to fix your keyboard lag problem, so how to fix keyboard lag problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting to fix keyboard lag problem. Friends, you are not operating your keyboard. So friends, click on app setting and friends click on see all app and friends direct search here GBOARD Gboard setting and click here. After on Gboard setting guys, click on storage setting and friends direct click on clear storage and delete it. And friends now come back. Friends click on phone setting again and friends now you can use friends your keyboard with direct search here. And friends you can use your keyboard setting without any lag problem. Friends you can use your keyboard. So friends now we can use keyboard without any lag problem. And friends you want to add keyboard language, friends click here. Friends you can add your keyboard language. Which language friends you want to add, you want to use, you can add from here. Friends you want to set any theme, keyboard theme, so you can select. And friends you can set keyboard theme. Example guys, example I will select this green theme and apply here. And friends there are many settings also. Friends you can see text correction setting, auto text correction. Friends you can off, you can on from here. Friends you can enable your glide typing and you can use voice typing. Friends you want to use, so you can on from here. Friends you can see keyboard theme will set. So like that friends we can fix keyboard lag problem on vivo phone device. After fix friends you can use your keyboard without any lag problem. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends.